Starting off, in a large mixing bowl, you're going to add your sugar, melted vegan butter, non-dairy milk, I used oat milk, and your pureed pumpkin. This is different than pumpkin pie filling, so make sure you are buying pumpkin puree. And your 1 tablespoon of molasses, and then just stir that up until it is all combined. Then you can add in your all-purpose flour, as well as your baking powder, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Then you just want to stir that until it's combined into a thick batter. It's not going to be super runny, so don't worry if it seems a little bit thick and hard to mix. Just make sure, as always, you're scraping the bottom of the bowl so that there's no flour or other dry ingredients hiding down there. And then you can get your paper lined muffin tin, or you can use silicone liners, or if you, like me, have a brand new muffin tin, then it's probably non-stick and you won't need anything. So this makes an awkward 7 muffins, but that's just because I like them really full. If you want them a little bit less full, it can make about 8 or 9. And so now we're going to make the streusel topping. So just into a bowl, you're gonna add your all-purpose flour, your oats, brown sugar, cinnamon, and just kind of quickly mix that all up until it's combined. And then you can add in your vegan butter, and you want to probably use your hands for this, or if you have a pastry blender, that will work too. But I like to just use my hands and kind of crumble it up, mix it all together. So you want it to look like this. It kind of looks like wet sand. And then you can put that all over the tops of the muffins. Don't skimp on it. There's more than enough. So you can kind of pile it high. And then once you're done, just clean up the edges of the muffin tin so that it doesn't burn onto it. So then you're going to set your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes, and you're going to bake your muffins at 425 for 5 minutes. And then without taking them out of the oven or opening the oven door or anything like that, you're just going to turn the heat down to 350 and bake them for about 15 minutes. Mine actually needed an extra 3 minutes just because I tested with a toothpick and there was still a little bit of a gooey batter, so it actually took 18 minutes, but if you have a convection oven, it might take just the 15. So set it for 15, test them, and then you can always put them in for an extra minute or 2, and then you can just remove them from the muffin tin, sit them on a wire rack to cool, and that is it.